Hi, I'm Jonathan Ailes with Petrie Aerial Applications.
And I'm Logan Petrie with Petrie Aerial Applications. So my SAE involves my business called Petrie Aerial Application, where we spray different product over crops using drones. What we do is we spread fungicide and insecticide over corn and beans in the summer. We have 2 drones, and they're both T30 models. So this year we managed to cover 2,500, and last year it was about the same. So a typical day for us would be getting up pretty early, going out to the field, getting our product mixed, and they'll give us very specific key metrics that they'd like in their product. Then we get the drones out, get everything set up. I'll go up top of our trailer, I'll get my controller out, I'll get the route open, and then it'll get all set.
My name's Wade Petrie. I live here in Tipton, Missouri. I'm actually Logan Petrie's dad. My primary role in Logan's SAE project is probably just support, really, more than anything. When we started the business, I was the financial backing behind it to help him get going. I do some small row crop. I've got some cattle. And when Logan was coming up with ideas for an SAE project, we really got to putting our heads together, and I said, let's do something kind of out of the box. And did a little research and seen some ads on the internet really for spray drones. So we talked about it and we decided that, hey, this might be a neat thing to do. So we kind of just jumped in wholeheartedly.
My name is Amanda Twinner. I am Logan and Jonathan's agricultural education instructor. I've been teaching 5 years, but this is my first year teaching at Tipton. This is my first experience with an SAE project, especially to this caliber, and it's been really, really cool experience to see that. One of the things that stood out to me was the fact that Logan walked me through from the first to the very last steps of what his project was, the story behind his project, and really what it looked like, in the scope of how big the project was, where all he sprays, and everything that he does with it.